Welcome to Hadiq Abdullah Farm School. Hi. Welcome to Hadiq Abdullah's kitchen. Now we're going to make some healthy food for you guys. Come on, let's start. First is to wear the apron. These are the vegetables I got today. Broccoli, eggplant, carrot, tomato, pepper, corn. Oh, let's hydrate first. Let's watch the vegetables. Potent health food. Strawberry, pineapple, watermelon, lemon, some lemon juice, my favorite. Chop, 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 chop. For a nice meal. So hungry. Let me learn about that. Now, bunny food. Now, guys, it's my snack and my favorite part. I like snack. Help pizza, burger, French fries, juice, ice cream. But these are not healthy. You can eat them once in a while, but not too many times. It's junk. Not too much, not every day. It's junk. First, let's set the burger. And let's take some lettuce, healthy, and tomato, only two. Then for fun, burger is ready. Do you like my burger? Let's cut the pizza. Hey guys, take one. Hey guys, take one. Now, burger! My favorite. For eating a burger, we have to open your mouth very wide like a monster. My favorite item, French fries. One for me? Yeah. It's ice cream time. Okay, here's the avocado, orange, blueberry, grapes, sour lemon. I like blueberry. It is my favorite color. Which flavor do you like, guys? Favorite is blueberry. Yummy. Good for you. only one. So thank you for watching my kitchen video. Let's eat healthy and live happily. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Bye bye.